Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add tasks to your didactic projects on the Additio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Didactic Planning and Projects. Now it's loading in, but in a few seconds you will be able to select your project. Tap on the relevant one. And then you should slide to the right side of the screen at the top till you find the Learning Tasks option and tap on it. Tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen and type in the name of the task, collecting data, and tap on the checkmark icon next to it. Here you can check out the task details and add the task description and objectives, task development information, attention to diversity. You should also indicate the task duration. You can also add exercises and activities, type them in, and add new items by tapping on the plus icon. And if we go back, then we will be able to check out the other information, such as curricular concretion skills that are necessary for this task, curricular concretion, and you can also attach documents and resources. You can link them by selecting these resources. So if you want to save all these details concerning your task, tap on the save button. As you can see, your task has been updated successfully. So if you go back by the help of this arrow and open your project, you are going to find all the necessary details and tasks as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.